Have you ever looked at your teeth in the mirror and thought that they looked longer? Do you feel as if your smile doesn't have the same shine it used to? Do your teeth feel more sensitive? All of these things can happen when you have less gums covering your teeth, leaving them exposed and apparently longer. This condition is also known as gingival retraction. It's one of the most common problems in dentist offices, mainly because it affects how our teeth look and causes discomfort while eating certain foods. Anyone who thinks that gingival retraction happens due to a lack of dental care is wrong. Even people with good oral hygiene can develop this problem. The retraction may happen due to several different factors, such as wrong brushing techniques, brushing with too much force, hereditary factors, bad teeth positioning, and periodontal diseases. In today's video, we are going to show you some of the best home remedies that can help prevent and treat gingival retraction. Aloe vera. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera can reduce the inflammation in your gums and even help repair them. Its antibacterial properties can also help fight periodontal diseases, one of the main causes of retraction. In order to obtain these benefits, you must swish some aloe vera juice around in your mouth for a few minutes and then spit it out. You could also use your finger to rub aloe vera gel on your gums, leave it on for 30 minutes, spit it out, and then rinse out your mouth. Repeat each of these procedures at least twice a day. Green tea. The regular consumption of green tea has been tied to a decrease in periodontal disease. According to Japanese researchers, green tea contains antioxidants that can reduce bleeding and swelling, as well as strengthen your gums' hold on your teeth. You can drink 1 to 2 cups of green tea a day in order to prevent gingival retraction and fight periodontal diseases. Cloves. Cloves have been used to treat toothaches for centuries. Their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties fight the bacteria that cause periodontal diseases and other dental issues. You can make your own clove mouthwash by adding 6 drops of clove oil to a cup of lukewarm water. Use this mouthwash twice a day in order to obtain the best results possible. Last but not least, your diet also plays an important role in your dental health. People with a vitamin C deficiency may have gum problems such as swelling and bleeding. In these cases, it's recommended that you eat foods that are rich in vitamin C or take vitamin C supplements. And, of course, don't forget that these natural remedies are only effective when they're paired with good oral hygiene habits. If you have plaque and tartar buildup on your teeth, the best thing to do is go see a dentist so that he can effectively cleanse your teeth. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.